Hello guys, welcome back to another stream. I'm so excited about this stream because today is PPI. Yesterday I didn't stream because it was CPI and it was really messy, but today it's PPI, it's day after CPI, so I decided to stream, why not? And there we are, welcome back. Make sure to I hope you learned something new, and I hope you enjoyed the stream. So we're gonna just wait a couple more minutes. I'm gonna share this stream to my Discord so you guys can see it as well, and then we're gonna start right away. So as you can see, I'll get gonna mark buy and sell set, but I will not incorporate this also liquidity because, as I said, because it's PPI news and this doesn't really matter. So I just wait for around 9 to 9:30, and then I'm gonna really start looking for my setup. So as you can see, I move my screen a little bit inside so you guys can see better, and you can see the time frame and the ticker right here. So this is actually at 500. If I move to 15 minutes, it's 15 minute, and if I move to Nasdaq, it says NDQ. So it's a symbol and the time frame so you guys can see better. Instead of here, it says here, so it's much more cleaner and it's better for you. So let's see, we will start in a couple of minutes. As I said, I'm gonna share this stream to my Discord, and then we're gonna start right now. How are you guys? How are you? Let me know. So live streams. Oops, let's change this as well. Just copy this. No, only okay. It's it's ready. So how are you guys? Yesterday, I hope you didn't trade because the news really did a lot of, not on SPX but on EU. It was up down the whole session. The whole session it was then. It was very like, how can I say? Kobe Leon, welcome. Thank you for being a member of this channel. Thank you for supporting my channel, Kobe. Hello. How are you? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Nice to be here. Yeah, no problem. Thank you so much, Kobe. You're my first member. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And others, how are others doing? Because Kobe, I hope you're well. I'm well as well, and I hope you have a good time. If it's your first time, then that's awesome. I hope you learned something new as well. We're gonna, yeah. Hi guys, David. Hello David, how are you? Long time no see from the last stream, but welcome to the stream, David. Kobe, thank you, dear. Thank you so much, Kobe. I appreciate you. I am great. Nice. Me too. Me too. Hi, just made 1% profit on EU Nox Music. That's awesome. But I'm sorry, but I wouldn't really trade right now. So we probably went short, right? Nox, because the PPI news were on. So for me, the thing is with PPI, the spread gets really bad, the slippage gets really bad, and it's all really bad. Nox Music 2022 model and EU, really nice. Leon, me too. Oh my god. You too. Good job, guys. Yep. Yeah. Equal lows in the 1 minute. So it probably went short right here, but this trade was very good, but still I wouldn't really take it personally, as I said, because of the spread and the slippage. But if you made profit, that is really nice. Good job. Yep. Yeah, nice. Good job, Kobe. Yeah, good job, Kobe and Nox Music, for taking the trade. Hi, Simon Natras. Hi, Zikr. What are your primary pairs you trade? So I only trade SPX 500, as you can see here. I have it on the top of my chart. And right now we're in 5 minute, and if we change time frames, it changes as well. So it's much more cleaner. It's more inside, like you guys can see better, and it's not like all around all those things. So let me know how you like this new like UI, if it's cleaner, if it's better, because I zoom in, and I hope it's better right now. You can see the values right here and the ticker and the time frame. But yeah, I only trade SPX 500. I take a look at Nasdaq, I take a look at EU, but for now I only trade SPX. But I was thinking about trading EU as well to add in a forex pair or something. But yeah, primarily you asked is SPX 500 or S&P SPX 500 is the CFD index. It's looking good. So we did swap sell side liquidity below here and below here, but still it was a PPI thingy, so I would be a little skeptical about trading this. So not I do prefer SPX, not forex. Well, as I said, I like SPX because indices are way more precise and the kill zones work way better for me. Like 8:30, 9:30 is way better than like London 2 to 5 a.m. The kill zone is way better because I don't have time in London. I'm busy, so I can't really trade. And I just prefer more. It's not like I don't like. It's not like I don't like forex. That's the opposite. I said I'm gonna look at taking a look and start maybe trading EU as well on stream, but not on stream, but I will take a look at EU. I will like do some analysis. I will start to trade it offline and then on streams maybe, just to get a feel of it, because I didn't really trade forex that much. But SPX, I've just been trading it a long time, and the how do I say this? The like I was also studying it a long time. So let's see. I'm involved with EU and killing it on demo. Real nice, Kobe. If you're killing on demo, you're like once you get really good on demo. Excuse me. Once you get really good on demo, then that means that, and you're profitable in demo, that means you're ready for real account. But you have to understand, you have to start with low balance, because if you go all in on the first time, you're gonna get very nervous, because still you know the strategy, you know it works, you're killing on the demo, but you have to start with low balance when you're first transitioning to live trading. But yeah, that's really good, Kobe. Once you become profitable, yeah, you because if you are gonna become profitable, you're gonna already master this thing. So just keep on working, and I hope you succeed. What is your strategy in a nutshell? So I basically waited for a Judah swing around 8:30. This was CPI in the traders. I wait for a Judah swing from like 8:30 to that starts at 8:30, and then I wait for Judah swing, and then I enter long at a break of structure in fair value gap. I usually do that on a 3-minute and 5-minute primarily, but right now I'm also getting confident in trading the 1 minute again, because I was doing a little back testing, a little forward testing live, so I'm ready for the 1 minute as well. Excuse me. That's great. Thank you, Kobe. SPY during Neo session, trade EU during Asia session. EU during Asia session, too. Wait, does EU actually have volatility during Asia session? But Asia session doesn't really matter, because I sleep during Asia session, the Asian session as well. I sleep at Asian session and I sleep at London session. Well, I sleep during Asian session, but I wake up at London, but I'm busy in the morning. So I can't trade it. So I only but the New York session works like perfect. New York session for indices and yeah, indices works perfect from 8:30 to 11. It's very nice. 85 to 90% win rate. Kobe, that's awesome. If you had that type of win rate and you can maintain that win rate like through 100 trades, that's awesome. Like, you're gonna be a millionaire if your R is like 1 or bigger, of course. But yeah, still no sell liquidity taken because it's still only 15 minutes, less than 15 minutes away. I mean, more than 15 minutes away from PPI. So, what is the win rate for SPX 100 with your Judah swing strategy, please? So, I don't know exactly win rate because I've done some back testing, but then I took a break and started tracking my funded trades again. But from what I take, my win rate is around 50 up or 60%. So 50, 60, 65%. I don't know exactly, but I know it's above 57% because it was around 58 to 50 to 65 exactly. I don't remember how much, but it's above 57 exactly, which is, for me, it's enough. And I did a back testing, so sometime it got like 70% win rate and 80 even, but then some months it got the win rate as low as like 60%, right? Or 55, which is still profitable, but it's not as profitable as 80%. And since I only trade one session, I only take like 3 average free trades per week, so that means average I win 2 or I lose 2. But yeah, this week I took like 2 trades and both break even, so I didn't really lose anything. I just went break even because because the order flow wasn't showing me. Doghead, hello, long time no see. So yeah, someone to, in a nutshell, my win rate some months could be 80, some months could be like 60, 50. Which, to remind you, is still profitable, but it's not 100%. You have to know that. And it's this thing, when you're trading live, you're also a little bit nervous, just like me, right? I'm still nervous when I'm trading live because if I lose a trade, I know some of you guys will go like, "Oh, why didn't you take this trade? Oh, you can't trade," And it's still a factor in live trading because you're nervous, and you don't really like, you know what I mean. You lose a trade and every even say can't trade. So, but I just avoid it. It happened last time as well. But it's fine because I trust my model, and that's why I'm also confident trading live. I wish, yeah, you will. Just study and you will. Hello, long time no see. Yeah, Dogcat. Hello. Hope you enjoy the stream. Thanks for all your support. No problem, Kobe. I mean, everyone can make it if they study enough, and I'm like, this is like not really the best thing to say it, but everyone can succeed and make money if they study and put in the work. That's like the better way to say it. Do you use this on a funded account? Simon, yeah, I use this on a funded account that I'm trading right now, the 25k challenge. So break even for the week. Took only 2 trades, both break even. I'm really not rushing to get into trades. I missed a couple of wins, but they were in the PM session, which I rarely trade. I just when I'm back testing, I'm looking at the thingy in the PM session, but AM session there weren't really any trades. It's okay, I mean, thank you so much, Simon. So I just have to wait a little bit. What is your risk to reward on your trades, buddy? It's usually 1 to 2. Yeah, it's 1 to 2. I don't really like if the liquidity. So the thing is, if the liquidity is obvious, I take partials at 1 to 2 and I let it run. I don't go break even, but I let it run, right? I still have my stop loss in place, or I trade my stop loss on the lows. But usually I'm just going for 1 to 2, so because it improves your psychology and it still makes you profitable with my win rate, right? So I stick with 1 to 2, and it works out pretty really really well. So yeah, it's 1 to 2. And if the, as I said, if the liquidity is really obvious, I use I trade my stop loss, or I I take partials. Simon, yeah, control. What's up, Zikr? What's up? Yeah, loss is a part of life and trading. That's a really good sentence. Part of life, because you also have losses in life. You're wise, control. I would say you're wise. It's, I'm gonna wait 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna join. I'm not join, and then I'm gonna look for trades, because still, um, to be honest, as I said, I don't really want to trade before. I don't really want to trade like before 9, because the PPI was, but it wasn't very like big, but it still was PPI. So yeah. By the way, guys, to get like better quality, I suggest going into settings and you click quality and you choose 1080 pixels and 60, so HD quality. Keep up, good work, mate. No problem. Thank you so much. Thank you. What is the difference between Silver Bullet and Judas Swing? It actually is a very big difference, because if you take a look at Silver Bullet, for example, here, like, what Silver Bullet actually is, it's just a fair value gap, and it's a part of a move, right? So Silver Bullet, let's say, I don't know, let's say this big displacement candle is a Silver Bullet trade. Like, this is only consolidation, so if I would, it's hindsight, but just to show you, I wouldn't trade this because I don't trade Silver Bullet, but I will show you. Look, so let's say this big fair value gap is a Silver Bullet. It's only a fair value gap that delivers to the liquidity, right? So let's say liquidity was this low, it's offer more than 10 handles, so it's a high probability, and you're only looking for 5, as ICT said, if you're a beginner. So so the Silver Bullet is actually only a fair value gap and repricement to a liquidity, and the most obvious liquidity you're expecting price to deliver to. And a Judas swing, it's just a false move in the wrong direction before to trap traders going, let's say, long, and then smart money sell short. And so it's only a fake move in the wrong direction before delivery to the upside or to the downside. Can you please take a look on EU if you have a chance? Of course, Kobe, of course, no problem. I have a chance. We have a whole session for us. EU, I mean, EU was like under a lot of impact for because of the PPI, but we have a huge displacement. I mean, we took all this liquidity right here. We took all this liquidity. No, I don't want this. So as you can see, we took all this liquidity, we repriced into this fair value gap, and we were respecting it, and then we displaced. We took all this liquidity, all those highs, and then we displaced. So if you look at lower time frame, as you said, you had a 2022 model, really nice model right here, that you could go short, and then and it was inside a kill zone from 7 to 10, and this is on the 1 minute fair value gap. But the low that I'm looking for it to take, so the low that I'm looking for it to take is, I'm gonna go to one more time frame above it. So we already took those significant equal lows right here, and then all the lows, all the liquidity below here, here, and here are what I'm looking would be my partials, because this is all the lows that price could reverse and all the lows that that liquidity is below. It's much more cleaner on the 1 hour as well, so you can see better. So this were the lows that I'm looking for EU to take right now, because the displacement we had, the fair value gap we had, the institutional order flow entry drill we had, I'm expecting price to reprice to the at least to the equilibrium. And if we take the from the low to the high, we see it is right here. It is below the equilibrium. We reacted from the equilibrium 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So I expect it to drop to this low, and this low. This is all this is the places where my partials would be, and my stop loss would probably be at this high right here. My stop loss would be trailed to this high inside this fair value gap on EU if I went short. But those are the lows I'm expecting to take, and where my partials would be if I traded it. I think for EU I'll take the lot, but it has to go up to take the liquidity first. If it does go, I go strong. I think EU will not go long, because we had the liquidity sweep. We were inside a fair value gap. We were reacted from the equilibrium, so I think we're just gonna take the lows right away. But I'm looking at 1 minute. That's what I think. I don't know. It's okay, Nox Music. It's totally fine. I could just melt. That's why trading reacts to what happening. I would just anticipate going short right here below those lows. So if you're already in a trade, I would just put my stop loss above the 1 minute high that was formed inside the fair value gap, and then I'll just take partials. I'd say 30% here, 10% here, no, 30%, 20%, 20%, and 30%, right? So of your all capital, or you can go indifferently, but that's close to what I would do. But I would not go short on EU right now, but I can keep that. Okay. Yeah, Nox Music, I'm expecting it to melt right now. Your prices at Thursday value close. I'll be looking for long. I would still be looking for short, to be honest. I know for you, but shorts look really good. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. I mean, I would want SPX to return inside a range from this low. Inside a range from this low to this high. I would want it return before 9:30. I would want it return, as it is Friday. Antonio, how long is it? It's Friday. Yeah, let's look at a weekly candle for potential TGIF setup. I think it will go up first and then down to fair value gap, FEG, EU. Yeah, we can check that, but to be honest, we're really expanding, so I would expect for to drop to 0.25, which would be here. Yeah, I would expect price to retrace on SPX, on Nasdaq as well. EU is in the middle, so I don't know, but we'll see. See how perfectly we're reacting from this liquidity? That's why I would take partials. But right now we have a really nice 3-minute setup. 3-minute setup on EU is like really nice. I think it will go up first and then down to fair value wait, 1093.3, which is, yeah, it's around this low. But yeah, 3 minute setup looks really good. I don't know, but this looks like a long opportunity, to be honest. It just looks very, very nice. If you get a chance, be good to show a previous setup on SPX. I yeah, I sure can post a set. I can sure show you a setup, but not right now. Right now. Maybe in the previous. You can go look at my previous streams, of course. You can go check them out. My previous streams. It was at this price 2 days ago. Yeah. Uh. Let me just read something. Yeah, the 3 minute setup looks very good. I'll just trade it with demo. Stop loss below the low, and I'll target with just this high right here where my stops would be, because I really think we're gonna take that now based on what I see here. Based on what I see here from this fair value gap, I think we're gonna take that high inside. So I'm just gonna target 1 to 2 if we even get a fill. So let's say we risk $250, but this is just demo trade. I don't know, it just looks very, very nice. Demo trade. Okay. Well, actually, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. This is just what I would. This fair value gap is just what I see to potentially go long from the 3 minute. So yeah, as I was saying, I want SPX to go inside that range. To so I can. So it's like for better. For like better for better setups. Okay. Right now, yeah, still nothing. Oops. But as I said, the SPX got a similar setup. Just it's not as clean as on EU. The EU setup is very, very nice. It's 9 a.m. already, so yeah, sure. Okay, so Hello?
So
Hello, welcome. Well, how are you
good.
today?
I'm alright. I'm just looking at the charts I'm just I'm thinking price is lower.
Yeah, me too, but like
Oh,
EU has a really nice long setup on the
I
3 minute.
saw that on your stream.
Or on the 4 minute, it's even better on the 4 minute.
I don't know. I think we'll go lower. I want to see the lower prices towards this. I have a 4 hour fair value gap drawn, and I've got some buy side drawn as well for daily buy side maybe. Maybe we could have a nice expansion
Yeah.
last day of the week to the downside, and then we potentially go back up next
Mhm.
week. But yeah, I don't know. Dollar had the bullish news. I don't like dollar. Dollar's just been in this range with the weekly fair value gap and the daily gap. Just been in this.
Yeah.
It's just in this range and it's just been going up and down, up and down. And the
Well,
dollar's just been
I
traded.
really think EU will go to take liquidity or reprice to the imbalance on the 5 minute at or will reprice to the high on the
Yeah.
1 minute at 8:32. There's the high on the 1 minute that I think price will go take liquidity and then go down. But I haven't traded SPX ERS so much. I just want to see XPX come back into the range and then see a Judah swing.
Yeah, the 3 minute looks nice for Euro USD.
Yeah, the 3 minute and 4 minute. 4 minute looks even better.
Yeah. 5 minute looks really good, immediate rebalance, potentially
Yeah,
going up higher.
I
Yeah,
mean
that's nice.
4 minute looks very nice to me. I just don't know why, but it looks very nice.
I'm just looking at Nasdaq.
Mhm.
Uh, I want to see maybe. But the thing with Nasdaq right now, it could do anything. Could just go up higher like yesterday we had.
Yeah.
Yesterday, sadly, I missed the entry, but I was thinking of entering SPX, same entry in SPX, and SPX would have hit, and I would have had like 20 handles
Uh
in
huh.
SPX. But it is what it is because it doesn't matter. In
Yeah.
general, the trade could have. There was two trades yesterday for me for Nasdaq. It was like a riskier trade with 9:30
I took two
or
trades.
5 minute candle. Wait, what?
You took two trades.
No, I didn't take it. I had two opportunities to take it. The first one was very risky because it was a 5 minute entry, but we were trading we opened 9:30, 5 minute candle in this 5 minute gap, and then
Mhm.
we closed above it. And I was gonna enter, but I don't know. I
Yeah.
wasn't too confident. But now I wish I did. I would have
Yeah.
had a really good entry
Did it
in
go
this gap.
to TP?
Yeah. Both trades would have went to buy side, which I had drawn out. It was perfect. It was literally like a perfect day,
Yeah.
perfect trade. But yeah, it is what it is. So you're gonna wait for open, I guess, and then see what happens. Maybe I'll take an entry. Maybe if I don't, I don't. I'm
Yeah.
just gonna take
Nox
a good
Music.
entry.
I'm in EU. Wait, Nox, are you in the long? Are you in
Yeah, it's
long?
40 low.
He's probably long, yeah, because longs look
Yeah.
very nice. And the target is also nice on the 1 minute. For the silver bullet setup, I should wait for 10 to 11 time. Yeah, you should for the silver bullet.
What would be like a good stop loss for Euro?
For euro, below the low, I believe. Just below the low. You know,
What about like how many pips for like a regular stop loss? Like I don't know, like five handle stop loss
oh, it's 10
for
pips.
SPX,
It's 10
10 pips.
pips. 10 pips is what ICT said. 10 pips for forex and then yeah, five handles
Okay, so if I
for
entered, okay, so
SPX.
let's just say I entered long on this 3 minute gap.
Yeah,
If I have a 10 pip stop loss, so it would be,
yeah, it would be, but
yeah, it'd be around 9637
wait,
because
let
it's
me
10
see.
pips.
3 minute, it would be at
Yeah, let's just say you enter from the
yeah
top of
nine.
the feather.
Wait, 9637. Did you say that or
Yeah, I said zero.
yeah?
Yeah, it's 1.9. Yeah, 9. Because I'm also getting used to the forex pips and stuff how it works,
Yeah.
and because I want to get into forex a little bit.
Uh,
If obviously.
Kobe Leon, I'm long. Oh, he's long as well.
This is a really nice entry to go
Yeah, it's a
long.
it's a beautiful setup, but
I don't
still,
know,
I
might
wanna
take
wait
actually.
for SPX.
Yeah, might take an entry on here. Could really take it, honestly. Because right
Yeah,
now we're trading in the gap, deeper in the gap. Let me see. But then I really think that the XY could just blow up and go up higher.
yeah,
Because we have a lot of liquidity for the XY to go above. That's why I don't really trust this setup that much. Because I think the XY will probably go up higher.
SPX. Yeah, it's still there. I want SPX to go higher right now before 9:30, and then
Yeah.
do its thingy.
I mean, it depends on this 3 minute closes. The 3 minute closes inside a gap. I mean, maybe it was. But I think it won't. I think it will get squeezed out a little bit.
Yeah,
Actually, no, it closed in the gap, but still not sure. Trader minutes. I mean, I just don't like that there's a 5 minute order block that we just traded into
yeah. There's
that
a
trade.
5 minute order block. Oh, it's on. It's vis.
Um,
It's on. Yeah, we're going. Yeah, reacting
yeah,
from
we
the
might
order
go
block
down.
because there's still liquidity below it. That's for sure.
Yeah,
That's also why I wouldn't. And it's still the PPI has much more impact on EU because it's like the DXY has the most impact and EU is like
yeah,
inverse correlated. So
yeah, that's
Forex is
true.
like yeah it has most impact during those news.
I mean, there is a on the 1 hour there's an inversion fair value gap of the EU that we're currently in again. We found support many times, pretty much.
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I guess how this. I mean, yeah, but essentially, it would have been nice if dollar would have had a better setup, but I don't know. It's a scary one because I don't know.
I still want SPX to go higher before. Now it's a good entry for EU long. Kobe, I really don't know for EU. Like we have a lot of liquidity as we mentioned below it, and the XY above it. So, in the order flow is really bearish since we had displacement at the PPI. So trading like long or short right now is really risky. Indices are a little bit better because there's gonna be 9:30 in 10 minutes, so this will show a little
Yeah,
bit more. And if you look yesterday, CPI on SPX really didn't do much. It was a wick up, a wick down, and then it was price action normal, judo swing to the upside, and then trading lower. So yeah,
yesterday was a good. It was alright.
it was not that bad. The session still continued tomorrow for SPX. It was not ranging all day like other pairs, right?
Yeah, CPI is much weaker than CPI in my opinion because
What is?
yeah, I think CPI is weaker than. I mean, PPI is weaker than CPI. That's what I think. I don't
Yeah,
know. Yesterday was price action was a bit more ugly than today with 830.
with A30, yeah, but then it was a
Yeah.
really nice judo swing.
Yeah.
Switch to 1 minute E user. Yeah, you can check, but as I said, I
Yeah, you just having displacement now.
yeah, we're just having displacement. There's nothing at a 1 minute.
When we're trading in that 1 hour gap.
It was a nice setup for longs, but still, it's under the influence of PPI, so it is unpredictable and very manipulated.
We're probably gonna come back down into the weekly inversion fair value gap again.
Yeah,
Or we're just gonna close the week higher, which I would love to see that for euro, to be fair. Because then dollar's bullish,
uh huh,
bearish.
yeah.
I don't know. I mean, today it's just a. I don't know. We're on a daily. I mean, there is a daily. fair value gap as well for euro.
Now I look for longs, Antonio. I still, I don't know. I'll just wait for 9:30 on SPX right now. It looks alright.
Yeah, I just don't really like how we're pushing down lower past this weekly proportion block and order block. I mean, I don't want. I mean, if we're gonna go down, we're obviously gonna break the low of it. We're gonna hit buy side.
Yeah, we're gonna close below the
I wouldn't want
50%.
that.
If we close below the 50% of the proportion block, we may be bearish
Yeah.
because the proportion block, the 50% should really not be violated because that could mean lower prices.
Yeah, we could see really, really nice bump into around 14,930 27
Yeah,
area.
exactly.
Because
But
that's where like the daily liquidity is as well. And then we have the 4 hour gap underneath it.
a great indicator for watching bull and barrel order blocks, ICT, MTV order block, Wix, MK good luck. I don't really know. Like I don't really like need indicators because I can see
Use the
visually.
brain.
Yeah,
The
we
brain is
can
the indicator
we
for me.
it's really easy to see an order block, you know. It's not that hard. You don't really need an indicator because indicators can really mess you up sometimes. Because if you know how to read price action, you don't need any indicators. Like all indicators I have are like for sessions and to easily see new week opening gaps, and then I have this indicator that show me a time frame and the pair. But
You can see the new week opening gaps. Whereabouts are they? Oh, we're way above it.
yeah, switch to 1 minute and watch the displacement to the upside. Nah, I don't really. I'm not really gonna look at EU right now. I wanna watch SPX because the market's gonna open. I mean, you can do that, but EU, as I said, I will just. I think it's gonna go lower, to be honest.
Why am I not seeing this?
I mean, the previous. Wait, it happens a lot. I mean, the previous ones. What do you mean, Kobe? The previous ones.
We are trading above Swan. That was ages ago.
But yeah, the 9:30 is gonna open. It's gonna be interesting to
Yeah,
see what
it will probably
happens.
will be nice actually, I think. Well, I'm expecting it to be nice.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, I mean, it's a Friday. I don't know. Fridays are just unpredictable. It's either good or bad. And there's nothing in the middle. It can't be good. It can't be decent. It's good or bad. That's it. I mean, Euro is still looking decent. 5 minute looks really, really nice. We just swept at the sell side. We hit the 1 hour inversion gap. We went above it. Now we just need displacement for Euro. That's it.
yeah.
And then we could go long as well.
Well, for SPX, I really think that we can go high right now, but I just want to wait for 9:30 to see what the Judah swing does, because if we look at the daily, I mean, at the daily we hit the daily order block right on
Mhm.
SPX, which is a really like huge support level. We can
Yeah,
easily go
weekly as
through
well.
it, but I expect at least some rejection from it. And if we see a Judah swing deeper into the fair value gap below it, that was formed on July 11th, then maybe if we see a
Hmm.
Judah swing below this, like really big Judah swing, then I can take a long from here. But I'll also take long before it if we see a proper displacement.
Yeah, this is what I was saying as well, like a few days ago, how we didn't hit the order block, the weekly daily order block, the
Yeah,
propulsion block
yeah.
on
Yesterday.
S&P, but we have hit it for Nasdaq like on Wednesday. We hit it on Wednesday or Tuesday, I can't remember.
Hmm.
So maybe this could be a nice sign here. Maybe we could even like disrespect it for Nasdaq. We go lower. With S&P, we also go lower, but
Yeah,
we respected this order block, propulsion block for Friday, for today. So that could be another good indication that we could go lower, and Nasdaq prices could completely ignore the order block,
yeah. Right
but
now
just
we
go
are
from another 2 year
closing.
rate.
We are closing like aggressively below the order block, below the fifty
For
percent,
Nasdaq,
below the 50%. Yeah, for Nasdaq.
yeah, Nasdaq is just going lower. But look at this price action we've had this week. Even ICT said it's kind of ugly for Nasdaq.
Yeah, it is kind of
It's
ugly.
just going up
We
and
are
down, up
closing
and
like
down. Like we sweep
aggressively below the
liquidity,
order
we
block,
go up,
below
sweep
the
liquidity, go
50%,
up. That's why I
below
think we
the
might even
50%.
go
Yeah,
up as
for
well today. Because look, every time we sweep a liquidity, a
yeah.
swing point, we go up. We swept it again, go up. I don't know.
On
It
daily, you
looks
mean, or
no, just 1 hour. Just
oh
actual,
yeah,
just
one
1 hour.
hour.
If you look at a
Yeah.
1 hour chart, yeah. If you look from this, from like the start of this week, even like last week, Friday, we kept like sweeping liquidity going up a little bit. Sweep liquidity, go up. Sweep liquidity, go up. You know that. So we could even just see an expansion higher, but I mean, I don't really want to see an expansion higher today. I mean, I don't care. I'll trade both, but
Yep.
whatever. Just like, well, I mean, personally, I want to see lower prices, expansion higher, but I mean, I don't really want to see it.
Let's do this.
But we'll
Okay.
see. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't know. I need to see what dollars are doing actually. Look, dollar on 1 hour because we're in the weekly fair value gap once more.
Uh huh.
Like we're in it again, but I don't know.
Yeah, 9:30. I really want to wait for 9:30 right now, just to see, to get a visual representation of what
Yeah.
price where the Judas swing may happen. Like my thinking is we already had the Judas swing, started from 8:30, the news.
Mm-hmm.
Price was manipulated inside the order block below the low on Thursday, swept liquidity into the order block. At 9:30, I can expect price coming into the sell side liquidity again. That was formed at like 9, and then we can maybe see higher prices, or we can just see continuation to the downside following Nasdaq price action.
Yeah, we could. I don't even know to be fair. I mean,
Yeah,
the 5 minute looks really, really clean. Like it looked really clean. If you look,
on
the precision on Nasdaq precision 5 minute. It was so perfect, pretty much.
respected the fair value gaps, right?
Yeah, at the top of the fair value gap, like perfectly. So I mean, I'm not surprised if we're gonna just collapse lower. I mean, it's about 100 handles to get into my POI, which I would want to look longs from, which is the daily liquidity. But I don't really think we're gonna hit it. I think we might get close to it. We might hit the wick of it on Monday's low.
Yeah,
So I'm gonna actually mark that out as well because I think that's very important. We're already trading like close to it. Like we are like yeah, like what like 25 handles
hmm,
off it, but I think we could definitely hit it easily. I'm just gonna draw that
yeah,
daily daily discount wick c dot e. Yeah, that's another thing I've been implementing in my trading intraday. I've been using higher time frame stuff in my lower time frame trading.
yeah,
I don't know, that's what ICT. I've watched this ICT video about journaling, and I kind of never really thought about how you like how I you need to use what's it called I use higher time frame stuff in my lower time frame analysis, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Like it could be very, very significant for me.
Yeah.
Because that one video I was watching from ICT was really, really good. Amazing video.
Oh, wait, which one?
It was the journaling one. Like
Oh yeah, the journaling
it
one.
just showed you how to like actual journal and how you can use higher time frame stuff in your lower time frame stuff. So basically we do top-down analysis from monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, and then that's I mean pretty much you don't really have to do any more.
Yeah.
Unless you want to torture yourself even more, you know. Because that or journaling is one of the hardest things, I think, because it actually takes so much time. You have to write about it. You have to obviously journal it, but it's worth it, I guess. Like yesterday, I missed the two trades, so I journaled them, and I said what I done, what I could have done better, shit like that. I mean, it's like a little diary. But yeah, all right. I mean, 9:30 is about to open. We swept.
We'll see.
We
Yeah.
swept with the 8:30 run that started. So we could see just higher prices right now. But I want to see
Okay,
lower
yeah,
prices.
9:30.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I want to see for Nasdaq, I want to see price come down into 14,987.66. And I mean, obviously, I can't really do that for, yeah, I can't, I mean, S&P looks really, really good long. Like,
Long?
really good, yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Because
I'm
we've just
thinking
came
too.
in,
I'm
yeah, because
thinking as well.
we've just came into the proportion block on a weekly and a daily
Let's see.
fair value. Not a fair value gap, but
Weekly. Oh, yeah, that propulsion block is really nice.
like it's like the same one as Nasdaq, but Nasdaq hit it like on Wednesday, and we've just been trading
Yeah,
past it.
the propulsion block is really nice.
Yeah, that's what I like about it. I can't lie.
But
We could see nice longs after this Judah swing to the downside from
yeah,
8:30.
I mean we could expect Judah swing into the daily or into the Fair Valley Gap daily, like which is like how many points is that? It's like 9 points Judah swing, and then we can see longs, which I mean
Yeah.
I really think this Fair Valley Gap is a dual liquidity. You know,
Which one?
the
The
daily the
one
daily Fair Valley Gap inside the order block.
oh yeah, yeah, I know that one. Yeah. I mean we're already in a gap already,
Yeah,
as
we're
we are.
we just closed the
And
gap
we
right now.
yeah, by the tick.
Yeah, right now we're going below it, so I really think this gap is a
Yeah,
drawn
we
liquidity.
could go in yeah, we could go into that gap as well. That could be a show. I mean,
And we
could
are
look.
inside the new week opening gap right now. I'm seeing on the daily chart. There's a
Yeah.
gap. There's a volume imbalance on the
I
daily chart
yeah.
on SPX.
SPL.
There's a volume imbalance on the daily chart, and if you look, it's Friday and Sunday. So
Wait, what? I don't see it for me. The
SPX
volume of it.
500 daily chart.
Oh! You're talking about
The
the
June,
Friday fight.
the
Oh,
Friday
June.
30,
Right.
yeah, June.
Oh yeah. Okay. My bad. I didn't see that.
Yeah, it's okay. It's just a volume imbalance, and that means it's a new week opening gap, right? Because
Yeah, because we ignored it both times. We went past it completely, so we could see nice support. That's a
hmm
good shot, actually. That could be real nice. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just looking at right now. I'm looking at DXY. DXY is just still trading in the gap. Nothing crazy in the weekly gap. Yeah, we've what's it called? The Nasdaq just hit the daily discount wick. Consequent
yeah,
encouragement 50%, pretty much to the tick. It went one tick lower, like one handle lower. Not even a one handle, like half a handle lower. So yeah, I'm gonna look for longs now.
on
I think,
Nasdaq or
yep. Nasdaq, S&P, both.
S&P.
Because
Me too.
I don't know, we're in discount for this week. Like
Yeah,
we're very
yeah.
in
If
discount.
we take a low from Monday, July 10th to the high, we are in a discount, as you said, deep discount, which is
Yeah,
really
so
nice.
I'd want to see maybe in displacement now. And then nothing. Could be a
And
nice entry.
yeah, and we are respecting the low of the new week opening gap we're drawn out. You see?
Yep.
Really, really nice.
Well, we're seeing some this potential displacement
Yep.
on
From the
Nasdaq.
yeah, on S&P as well. On SPX, we are directly from the new low of the new week opening gap, which is really, really nice.
Yeah, it looks really nice, honestly.
Yeah. And we have a hider that we just tapped it. Still didn't break it, but we just tapped it right now. And we broke it. Oh my god, this is a really nice setup in my eyes, to be honest, on SPX
Hmm.
especially.
Yeah, PX looks decent. Yeah, I see that.
So 5 minute stop and just targeting. Yeah, I'm gonna target this high.
Yeah, I'm like if I enter this trade, I'm riding it all the way to London by side, I think, for the day.
London buy side. Ooh, that's high.
Yeah, obviously I'll
That's
probably take it. It
6R.
depends.
Sheesh.
Yeah, big trade.
It's a lot. I mean, one minute looks very, very nice, so I'm just gonna open
Yeah,
my
I'm seeing a displacement.
MetaTrader and we'll see.
I'm gonna trade the obviously Nasdaq because I think Nasdaq is for me. So I'm
Yeah,
my favorite one, especially how we respected the daily discount wick, consequent encouragement, and now we're just seeing a reaction from it. That's not random for me, you know.
yeah, it's not
That,
random. That's of course. We
that's
like when we
my
tapped. Wait, why did you say it's not random?
no because like I'm just saying like it's not random. It's like I was expecting this to hit and it's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
it hit. So you know.
Yeah, it's not random on X either. I think personally because we swept liquidity 9:30 Judah swing, like at 9:30 we moved to the low of the gap. We
Yeah,
respected, and
I'm
from
looking
the
at
low
the
of the
chart.
gap we had a displacement breaking the short-term high. Even at the 2 minute setup looks very, very nice as well. So
Yeah, I'm gonna. We broke structure on 1 minute. I'm gonna.
on Nasdaq I mean,
Yeah,
ooh, Nasdaq looks very nice. Nasdaq
Nasdaq has
looks
a lot
for
of
yeah,
displacement.
for now it looks even better than SPX because
I'm just
the
gonna place an order, maybe it retraces, goes back.
I'm just ready. I have my
But I'm gonna have to take my order.
I
I'm gonna have to
have
take it from the high of fair value gap. That's the problem.
wait, why is my MetaTrader lagging?
But even if I do take it from the high of fair value, my stop loss would be around 27 points. Yeah, like 27 points. So have a wider stop loss now.
Okay, yeah. Now this is the high I wanted to see broken with with SPX.
Yeah, my entry would probably be around 15, yeah, 1521,
So 5 lots.
15021. We'll see if it retraces back down into it.
Okay, 2 minute fair value gap looks
Hold on. I'll
decent.
be right back. I'll get a drink.
Yeah,
Uh,
sure. 2 minute fair value gap looks very decent, but 1 minute doesn't look too bad as well. We'll see where we come first. Antonio, I'm also a GU push below the Asian low in yesterday's trade, then trade up to end of the week. Yeah, I think that's a good idea because I'm also looking for longs. That's a very nice idea. Good idea, I mean.
all right, I'm back. All right,
Nice.
see the
Okay,
retracement
I
maybe.
like the 2 minute fair value gap right now. And the
Let me
three
see the
minute is
three.
also the 3 minute fair value gap is also really nice. I can't say
Yeah,
it's
that's
not.
nice.
But a 2 minute it's even better. 1 minute there's only also one on 1 minute. But two
Well,
minute
my entry is fine because I'm taking a 1 minute entry maybe. It will be an order block slash fair value gap entry.
Oh yeah, I see. You got a really nice order block aligned with the fair value gap.
Yeah,
That
but
that's a good
let's just see
sign.
if we come back into it, and my stop loss is wide because I don't know. I'd rather have like a bigger stop loss and this higher win rate than small stop loss, smaller win rate but bigger
Yeah.
win. Yeah, we had a nice open actually. We had an open lower as like a Judas.
To the low of the gap and then displacement. Very nice trade
Yeah,
in my eyes. Very nice
yeah.
trade.
I hope I can just get tagged in close. Like,
Come on. Yeah, a little bit lower. It needs to go a little bit lower to tag me
oh,
in.
come on, just tag me
Just
in.
one tick, just one tick
One
more.
tick.
Yeah, it's.
Oh my
Oh my
God.
god, yeah. One tick more and I would get tagged in.
Same,
Guys, maybe
same.
you see here I get tagged in, but I didn't get tagged in because the spread didn't got get me in. Come
Damn,
on.
that's so unlucky. That happened to me twice now. Yesterday, the same thing happened to me.
Oh my god, if it hits DP right now, it's unlucky, you know.
Oh, no way. Yesterday, the same thing happened to me. I had a similar trade. I mean, maybe you can still hit it,
Yeah,
obviously.
maybe it'll come
But
back, but we got a really nice reaction, so
yeah,
I'm
exactly.
doubting it to be honest.
Yeah,
I
even
placed
yeah.
the limit. I placed the limit, but it's the spread is 0 0.5, and then okay, maybe right now. Okay, yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
you
in.
might get tagged in. Yeah, you got tagged in. Nice.
But whoa, okay.
Oh, I'm tagged in as well. What the hell?
Well, we'll see. I went in. I got in right here. My stop
Wait,
loss
what?
is below this volume imbalance, and my take so basically 5 points. I mean, we're going down really, really heavily, so we'll see
Yeah,
how
that's
we
not nice.
we'll see how we react to that. But if I get stopped out, that's probably the trade for today because I'm not gonna really take any more trades
Why is my my shit
or
it's
or a trade
glitched?
after or a trade after at yeah or a trade after at with half risk.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably get stopped out as well.
Yeah, me too, but it's fine. It was a good trade, but we got displacement to the downside which was very very unfortunate.
Yeah,
Well, I still didn't get stopped out. My stop loss is a little lower. It is. It's right in the middle of this fair value
that's
gap,
not. Oh, it must.
and my take
The thing
profit
is
is
glitched.
at the high. Oh my god, my stop loss missed just by like. But
Yeah,
I'm
same.
probably gonna get stopped out to be honest. I don't know. It feels like I'm gonna be stopped out. It's too lucky. It's too lucky to be.
I don't. I mean, I'm like around.
It's
I'm
okay.
near my entry, but I'll
Yeah.
probably get stopped out as well. It's fine. I mean, whatever. Yeah, I have my stop loss at 1% exactly.
So
So
if we do sweep liquidity again, and if we get another setup, I may enter with half risk, but we'll
yeah,
see.
same. Yeah, I'll probably be the trade.
I went long US 30 at 35,072, which is Wednesday low. Nice dog kit. Well, I'm long here, so I just got stopped out
Yes,
for
pretty
yeah
much.
1%.
Yeah,
So
yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out
this week
in 5.
I'm in loss for 1%. So
Mm.
this was a loss. If we sweep liquidity again and we get another setup, I will enter again, but with half risk. And then if we lose that again, then I'm just finished for trading for today. And then next week I'm
Oh,
gonna continue.
I'm down 4.5% on account.
Yeah, well
I
I'm down 1%, which
I
is
just
not
had
bad.
this whole week was just very bad for me. Like
Well, yeah, it wasn't too good, but still, I managed to get two break evens and one loss, which is really, really good.
Yeah. Like I could have closed so many trades at break even, but I just stuck to the process. I didn't want to close anything out.
Yeah. Well, this trade was a loss. So yeah, as I said, if we sweep a liquidity again, excuse me, I may enter long with half risk because two trades is like max per session that I can lose because you have to have a limit, right? And,
Yeah,
and if you
exactly.
lose more than your limit, then and if you do that multiple times, you're probably gonna like blow the account really really fast. So you gotta have risk management, and my risk management and like it's like two losses max per session, which means minus 1.5% max, and that's the max you can lose. And then I'm not trading the PM session either
Yeah,
later.
just take two trades max. Yeah, we're seeing a rejection, of course. Why wouldn't we?
So right now we just have to wait. Let's see what EU is doing. I mean, EU has just big consolidation right
Yeah,
now.
consolidating
Took the lows,
in
consolidating.
the gap.
Yeah, 30.
I mean, we could even look for shorts. Yeah, I mean, if
Nasdaq. Yeah, Nasdaq is going lower as well.
yeah,
SPX 2,
maybe I take a short position, like a small gap
GU,
open.
AU. Basically most is choppy. Yeah, it's chopping Knox trades. So we'll see.
Let's see how the 3 minute closes.
Let me just journal my trades. 1 second, guys. I have to like
Yeah, I need to do
screenshot
that
it
as
and
well,
stuff
actually.
just to get a um to like know what you took and stuff, what I took and stuff. Um, so I have more sell side below this low. I'm just gonna mark this out to be in my screenshot, and then go on the 3 minute fair value gap is what I entered from. Excuse me. Screenshot. Okay. Uh, Antonio 934. I'll go pushing GU down for prep to silver bullet. Yeah, maybe this could be a drawn liquidity for the silver bullet, but for SPX, now that we violated my setup, I really think we can get as low to this daily fair to this daily gap. We do have this fair value gap, but it's probably gonna get filled very very soon. So let's see, 1 minute.
Okay, yeah, we having displacement for
On
Nasdaq again.
Yeah, on Nasdaq, yeah, with sweep
We
liquidity,
just broke the high.
we swap liquidity again, and we have displacement again.
No, I mean, I wouldn't mind entering, honestly. Long because, I mean, I just want to see a 1 minute gap open right now and just close.
Yeah, on SPX we have displacement as well.
It'd be a nice trade.
I still think we can sweep liquidity one more time on SPX, just like we did on Nasdaq. That would be nice.
Nope, there's no gap, no trade.
Yeah, we fill it immediately. SPX we're gonna do the same most probably.
Yep.
So yeah, we can now. I mean, I will wait. I hope you guys doing good on the EU trade short because the entry here was good, but I still wouldn't take it because it's directly after 1 minute after the news opens. So it's really risky to enter right after the news. Yeah, on SPX we do have a fair value gap. That is really nice.
Yeah. I
But
think we can maybe even tap the order block on a 1 minute. Could be my entry.
the Nasdaq,
Yeah, Nasdaq 1 minute order block.
but I yeah, actually there is a fair value gap on Nasdaq.
What time frame?
The 1 minute.
Wait, is that open? Oh,
Yeah,
that
it's
is open.
open. It's open.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna just, I don't know, I'll enter from the order block so I'm a bit lower. If it doesn't tap it, it doesn't tap it. It doesn't matter. Probably 0.5 risk or lower risk.
My EU short was at 907. So you think silver bullet short? Um, maybe for SPX, but it's not a way. It's like it's very close. If you take a range, the staying handles is right here. So this fair value gap maybe could be a short for silver bullet
Oh, it's glitched.
for SPX.
Yeah, I'll place my limit order around here. Around the 1 minute order block. And if it doesn't go well, I'll be down 1.5. And then it'll be 5% on the account. It doesn't matter. I'm learning. I'm not expecting to make easy money here. I'm treating this like a demo account with some sort of emotions. Yeah. SPX still hasn't hit the gap yet. My trade is still open. Okay. This, yeah, we might fail. Yep, I got failed. We'll see. See what happens here.
Okay, I just went to get water, so I was away.
Yeah. I got order block entry
Oh yeah, I
on
see.
Nasdaq.
Wait, is the stop loss below the low?
Yes, way below the low. It's
You
it's at
guys, wait, you guys kind of pulsed if there was no MSS with that swing high. Which swing high? I mean, I think it was kind of obvious there was market structure shift. It was not. There was on the 1 minute here and here. So this trade was really good in 1 minute for me, but still 5 minute was kind of rejection. But still 1 minute looked very good with displacement. Displacement is like very nice
yeah, my stop loss is at
below the low.
14,970, so that's way below.
Yeah, I see.
So I think even if we do sweep the low, I think it should be fine. Unless we just go in lower, which is the ultimate. That's just me being in the wrong side of the market, which is not really. I mean, it's my fault, I guess, but like, it wouldn't be because I'm greedy with my stop loss. That's the problem. I wouldn't mind losing a trade, like if the order flow is bearish, but if my stop loss is too tight, that's just too greedy, and then yeah, because sometimes that happens. I get stopped out, and then price goes up high, even with my analysis correct.
It was not a market checker shift on ES. Wait, I can check on ES. I mean, it surely was right here. It was a short-term low, broken with this. I mean, this one is even more obvious. We took liquidity, we went lower. There was a short-term high form. Price went lower, took more sell stops, and then it was displacement higher. On the 2 minute, it's even more visible. And then, I mean, yeah, it's delayed, but there's the fair value gap, short-term high, so it was broken. It was a market structure shift. It was not an intermediate high, term high, but it was a short term high, which which is enough for a shift to be valid.
Yep. Okay.
A year 30 entry was the say 80 OT entry model. Yeah, it went down to the 78. You're right, but I was mainly focusing on the on this the 3 minute fair value gap. Yeah, and the 3 minute fair value gap was looking okay, but I didn't cover the low. I just went for a 5 minute stop, which may be a mistake, but I usually do that, which I accept the loss for sure.
Oh, shit.
Year 30 was cleaner, yeah, maybe
Let's see your
cleaner.
30,
Yeah,
dude.
year 30 was very clean. It was very clean. I don't trade years 30, but I gotta admit it was much cleaner.
You got a nice
Damn,
unit.
it was very clean.
I don't know. Nasdaq looks nice. It's rejecting from the like. If you look on a 5 minute, it formed like a really clean swing low.
Yeah, even on the 1 minute, it's really respecting the order
Yeah.
block. Especially if you take a fib, it's really respecting the 50% of the order block. It's not closing below it, and there are
Mhm.
three wicks stabbing into it. So this could be a really nice thingy.
We'll see. We'll see. So yeah, I like this entry, even though I don't really take order block entries. But
Mhm.
but I mean, it's still for me. I still see that as a fair value gap because if you look at SPX, it does a gap lower, pretty much at the same price as Nasdaq is with the gap with the order block. So I'm just using multi-asset analysis, like combining SPX and Nasdaq together, pretty much.
Kobe, hello. EU in 5 minute. Uh, I mean, yeah, EU in 5 minute. I don't know.
It's
Want
all
to see a
right. I
push
mean,
in displace? I mean, displacement would be really nice, but I don't know for EU. I'm really looking for SPX right now.
we are trading in this 1 hour inversion gap. Got maybe
Yeah,
broke it
I
through it,
really
but we
I really
went back up.
think like since how we are respecting the down close candle on SPX, I think we're gonna go hard right now because like my stop loss was really bad. I gotta admit that it was bad. Didn't cover this fair value gap at all, so my entry could be a little lower. But I journal it and I also write that down. So I'll use that next time. But yeah, I missed that I missed covering this fair value gap on the candle below it. But it's okay.
Yeah, it's fine, bro. Next time you
It will be
learn from the
great if you
mistake.
look and explain about the silver bullet entry if will happen. I mean, I don't really trade silver bullet. I haven't traded in a long time, so I'm not really like very good at finding silver bullet setups anymore. I'm not really focusing on it anymore. I switched to the 8:30 not to 9:30 like Judas swing and an entry because I only like want to focus on one setup, and I decided it's not the silver bullet. Kobe.
Yeah, I don't know. 1 minute looks so ugly for Nasdaq right now. It's just wicks and wicks. I hope we just don't consolidate into 10 a.m. like we did last time when I was trading. That consolidation was the worst.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, hold up.
How do you have videos of the children here in your channel? We get better. Yeah, I mean, check the. I have a lot of like strategy videos on my channel, but only pick one and focus on that because if you're using all, you cannot get as consistent as you would with only one strategy. So I suggest you pick one strategy, one system, and then stick to that.
Yeah, we should see a strong candle
Yeah,
soon in one
I'm
minute.
expecting move to the upside right now.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, with news as well.
Oh
I
yeah.
forgot.
Wait, news?
Oh, it's prelim. What the hell?
Wait, you sure? Oh yeah, it's
Yeah,
orange
I
folder.
completely forgot. Orange and red folder. Me.
Wait, red as well?
Mm-hmm. I forgot. What the hell?
Yeah. Oh, I see.
I didn't even know. I mean, it's bullish, I guess.
I still think we're gonna go over. I still think, yeah. Oh my God, yeah, we're pushing up. I mean, I got a really unfortunate entry.
Yeah,
That's
I mean,
sad.
I didn't even realize there was news.
Maybe if my entry was at this fair value gap, I would have
I mean,
hit take
news
profit.
is
But
nothing. It's literally nothing.
what?
Like news is just
Oh, now
it's
that's a
prelim. It's
market
just
structure shift.
neutral.
I mean,
It's just a neutral
yeah, it's
news.
still if you look at this high as a market structure shift, that I still if I entered below, yeah, it was a mistake from my side. The change of character. I mean, it's the same. Market structure shift, change of character. It's the same thing.
Maybe we just rename it.
I mean, happens. But I'm disappointed. My stop loss wasn't even below, or my entry wasn't below. It's not
This could have
news. It's
this could have
10 a.m. I'll
ended
go, guys.
really badly.
Antonio, it's news. It's news. Just check the Forex Factory.
It
It's
could have
not
ended
out.
so badly for me. I
Huh?
didn't even realize it
What?
was news at that 10. It
I
could have
mean,
ended so badly.
I mean, 10 a.m. news.
It's not really that big.
I
They
would have still
usually
traded if 10 a.m. news were
yeah,
there.
yeah, yeah,
To
it's
be
the
honest,
same.
I would not exit the trade because we
Yeah, I would
have
have
the
taken
Judah
it.
swing and it's not very manipulated. So I was kind of expecting it to go higher, and it did. So
Not up there back.
unlucky, unlucky.
Right, I'm back.
This could have ended way better for me, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm like nearly out of 1 to 2. More bigger or push and I get 1 to 2. Maybe I'll close it and break even for the day.
Yeah. I mean, I probably will not trade today anymore because we already
Yeah,
had,
yeah,
like,
yeah.
we already had our delivery, and then
Mm-hmm.
and then we already had the Judah swing. So
We'll consolidate for probably for the rest of the
yeah,
day.
I'm in on the 5 minute EU. Nice.
Or I could just leave this Arana and just go do my thing.
Mhm.
I'll leave it for the rest of the day, maybe. Because I still think we're gonna go higher.
Higher, yeah. The buy sell liquidity looks really nice.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Even
Maybe I should
the
just leave this trade on.
highs we have here.
Yeah, we have like for Nasdaq, we have a lot of relative equal highs. We have the 15-minute relative equal highs at about five from 5 a.m. to like 8 a.m. pretty much. We've just
Mm-hmm.
been kind of just consolidating in that one area. Plus we have the London high as well, which we probably won't get to London high, but good try to get there, you know.
My TP hit since I'm have $500 from 3572 to 35226. That's
Wait,
really
hold up.
good, Dockhead. I mean, US 30 like had a really nice run to the upside. Nasdaq had a really nice run as well, but it first swept liquidity once more, which SPX didn't. But I'm I'm still okay with the trade, but I could have executed that a little bit better from the fair value gap right here. But I was mainly focusing on the 3 minute. Let's see. Uh, in the 5 minute EU and Discord. Yeah, I will check later. I don't have Discord open right now. Let's see, 5 minute. 5 minute. It looks okay.
Hey, yeah, I'm not a 1 to 2. I mean, honestly, I'll just hold this maybe for the fun of it.
I mean, if you're gonna hold it, I suggest like take some partials or
Yeah, yeah,
at least go break even.
yeah, yeah,
Just to
well, well.
secure something.
I mean, to go break even, I need a 1 to 4. Now, I mean, I could just, I mean, I don't mind losing 0.5% on the day. That's like, that would be like ideal, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So I could just take off maybe half position. Not the answer, not the answer. I have a lot of confluences. Like we just respected. Like if you look at the 1 minute, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I can share my screen just for you to look because you have to draw it out.
Yeah, I'll see.
Because like look at this precision pretty much. This is this is the daily wick. Look at
Yeah.
this wick right here. And if you look at a 1 minute, look at this precision. Like we just respecting this really, really well. Like once, twice, 3 times. We've just not gone part below it. We haven't closed below it in a 1 minute.
Yeah, I
So
see.
that's why I really think we're gonna go up higher. And like my ultimate goal is like I know my chart is messy as hell, but this is my ultimate goal.
Oh yeah,
London buy
the
side.
London buy sell liquidity.
Yeah.
Nice.
And my charts is very messy. Like I have so much stuff drawn. I don't know how I'm even operating. But yeah, this is the monthly. We're intending having this gap as well. That's how I have my stuff marked around and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, well, I don't know. I'll see how this goes. I mean, we're having a 2022 model right now on the 3 minute on Nasdaq. I mean, I presume same for
For
SPX as well
Nasdaq, 3 minute.
and
Oh,
SPX. Yeah.
yeah, the 3 minute looks nice. Even the 5 minute displacement looks very nice.
Yeah, it looks really good. So I'm just gonna see how it reacts from here. I'm just gonna monitor my position. I mean, we were already in the gap, so I mean, if I wouldn't really, I would anticipate a move up.
Mm-hmm.
because I want to leave. I don't want this to be filled. There's 1 minute gap on Nasdaq, the lower one. I want this to be kept as a breakaway gap. I don't want to be. I just don't want it to be filled if we're bullish. But if we do fill it, maybe the trade is not going to the upside. It's gonna monitor it for a little bit.
Is our chain looking for retracement back to 4447, 4445 OB for longs? Oh, yeah. Let's see. Which time frame you looking for? Oh, probably.
Wait, 4445?
He may have
He
a
probably.
different price because of the
I think
broker. I don't know.
unless he's entering from buys, like just unless he's entering on liquidity because
Yeah.
445 is just is sell side liquidity, and 447 is also sell side liquidity. Uh, well, we're gonna fill this gap. I don't want it. I don't want it to be filled, but it might be.
Uh huh.
So, are you looking for anything specifically right now, or?
Right now, I'm just watching how we react from this gap on the 5 minute SPX. You know?
Oh yeah, I'm seeing that. Yeah, well, I mean, we're probably. 'Cause I mean, okay, SPX has like a 5 minute, like a very, very good market structure shift. Has like a very strong one, 10 handles. Now,
Yeah.
so we
It's
could
got
really
its
just see.
displacement.
Yeah. I mean, let me mark it the 50% of the gap and see how we just respect that, I guess. And we tagged it about now.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do a similar thing for for Nasdaq as well.
I want to see how we react. Taking buys in the clean leg, Jameson lock. I mean, this fair value gap could be a silver bullet by chance if we rep if we move away because it is displacement. It is buy side liquidity. The London buy side liquidity right here and right here. So the London highs and then the buy side liquidity above those highs. So we got a fair value gap aligning with the 5 minutes, so this could be a silver bullet maybe. And I don't know, the easy target would just be this high. Nice reaction, I like that. Closed in and then immediate reaction. So
Yeah, we
I
had
don't
a
know, we'll
nice
see.
reaction.
From Nasdaq and SPX. So let's see.
Oh yeah, we're having a nice reaction for Nasdaq and S&P.
And S&P, yeah, that's what I like. This
Let's
is
look at S&P. Look at S&P's
I yeah,
precision of the 50% of that. of the five
Well,
minute.
very nice silver bullet. Very nice silver bullet. That's what I like. I also I also like this so much. This trade could be a potential. Like for me, I would put a five handle stop loss, and yeah. So I think yeah I entered this trade with because it was very very nice.
You entered?
Yeah, I did.
That's good, yeah.
I
I think
have
it's a nice trade.
so
Good silver bullet, I think.
so yeah. I'm basically break even for today. I just took a 1-to-1, so I
Oh,
can
your TP hit already.
yeah. It's five handles TP. I was down
Oh,
1%, and then I went again in. So I just want to get 1-to-1 to at least get break even.
oh yeah, that's good, yeah. Yeah, I'm chilling now, like a 1 to 2 right now.
Yeah, I could have let it run. That would have been an awesome runner. That could have
Yeah,
been an awesome runner. Like maybe 2-to-1. Like damn.
I haven't taken any partials yet, but I'll probably
I
take a
just closed the
partial.
trade 1-to-1. I'm a little bit in profit. What is the ticker?
That's fine. At least end it on a
So
break even.
Kobe, you were saying that I should tell you a silver bullet, and this Fear Valley gap was a silver bullet in my eyes because we had the buy side liquidity here and here. The range was more than 10 handles to this gap, and then
Wow.
yeah, it was really beautiful, to be honest. It was really
Even the
beautiful.
Nasdaq looks even better.
So
Like,
my TP was this short term high just before the big high, right at 10:05 on SPX. Yeah, Nasdaq. Oh my god. Oh my
look,
god. 40 handles.
if you look at Nasdaq, I'm gonna
Oh,
send you a picture. Look,
oh, that's nice.
um, you can show on stream if you want, but that's what I that the rectangle I've drawn. It's the 5 minute gap on the 1 minute chart, and look how it respects the
I
50% on the
see.
1 minute.
Oh,
Like
that
it's
trade is nice.
perfect precision.
So yeah, I could
Yeah,
have
I'm at a 1 to 3 at
I
the
could
moment.
have go for 1-to-2 or take partial and let it run for bigger profit, but since I was down, I just went for
Yeah,
a little bit then 1-to-1, and then that's enough for me.
that's enough.
I'm still
I
break even,
agree.
so I didn't want to risk it too much.
I'm in
But
profit right now by
so
like
so that was a
zero point
silver
0.5.
bullet trade. Yeah, that was a silver bullet for SPX. We had a 5 minute displacement before this high, and then the one
Yours
minute.
actually worked. They created nice displacement to
Yeah,
enter. And then higher.
it was a really good silver bullet. I just took it, to recover my loss because I said I'm gonna enter, but I entered with original risk just because it's a silver bullet trade. And I didn't want to get greedy. I didn't go for 1-to-2. I just went for the short term high 1-to-1, a little bit more just to cover the spreads and fees. So just break even. Maybe gonna not, but I really, yeah. Oh my god. It
Wait, did S&P? Oh, S&P ran.
Yeah, S&P is running, so it's running to those highs, and then it's going for the. I mean, London buy side liquidity looks very juicy. I really think we'll like hit it, based on displacement we have, but I'm happy with my 1-to-1, so I'm probably not gonna take any more trades today. I posted in the Discord as well, so we'll see.
I I'm out. 1 to 3. Oh,
On
great.
the
Perfect
three,
for me.
perfect,
I'm up
nice.
0.5% on the day even. Yeah, it's fine. It was a good trade, yeah. Now I'm down 3% on the account, not 4
It's okay.
point something.
I mean, I
Yeah.
posted in the Discord, but so it
Yeah,
one loss and one
I'll
win.
post my setup as well on the Discord.
Like, so watch the TGIF Friday setup. Yeah, I think we retraced into the zero point 0.2 retracement from the weekly range as well, already. But yeah, it was a good setup for SPX as well. Glad I took it, but I wouldn't take it if it wasn't like very obvious. And since that was very obvious, I didn't really have like time to say on stream. I just executed, put my
I didn't
stop
even know you
loss.
took it,
Nah,
essentially.
yeah, because when I took it like on this candle, right on the 10. Just look at your S&P chart. It
Mm.
was it was 10 12 candle, like third candle in the Fear Valley gap, because I saw that after, because I was talking, and then I entered just above the fair value gap, and then 500 stop, 500 take profit, and my take profit hit like one candle after. So when I took my stake, when I set my stake take profit and stop loss, I was already like I already hit my take profit after like 1 minute after I set my take profit and stop loss. So I didn't really have time to say anything, but
Yeah,
I posted the executions in the Discord. So one loss and one win. So basically break even again.
yeah, that's fine. At
It's fine.
least, yeah, I posted my setup on Discord if anyone wants to see what I took.
Yeah, I see.
I took my entry earlier, pre silver bullet hour, but I had a good entry, order block entry with my with a nice daily discount wick,
Hmm.
respecting the 50%. I mean, I still think this, if anyone's in this long, I still think it's gonna go up higher, way, way higher. I just took it because I'm probably not gonna be on the charts anymore. I'm just gonna enjoy the day.
Yeah. Well, I have to go now, like for
Yep.
like BRB,
Dude,
like.
I have to probably just go
Oh yeah.
because
Well, I'm just gonna go, because I have to use the toilet, but I'm gonna be right
yeah,
back
it's fine.
on the stream. But
Yep.
if you have to go, well, see you.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, yeah, I'll see you later. I'll maybe speak to you on the weekend.
Yeah,
Maybe I'll
maybe.
play it on Monday again.
See you.
All right,
Enjoy.
bro. See you later, bro. Enjoy your weekend as well.
Goodbye.
All right.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Okay, so he left. So SPX pushing up, pushing all the way to the London, most probably. I'm confident we'll get to London by sell liquidity, based on all displacement we had. I'm confident we'll get to London. I exited my trade, but it's totally fine, since it was a nice recovery. Really nice. Okay, BRB. I just have to go do something and be right back. welcome. I'm back. Okay. I'm here to take your time. EU and GU are flying. I mean, basically, almost all the pairs are flying, including. I mean, Nasdaq is a really good delivery, and and Dow as well, and S&P as well. So I think that's really nice. So today break even took this trade, took this trade. I mean, it is what it is, to be honest, but I feel like I could enter this a little bit better and then still get this, which would be free R. That would be really nice. This is it for me. 2% up on the challenge account. For the week, that's really good. Nox Music. That is really nice. Well, I'm still break even. I didn't trade most of the time this week. I messed up this trade, which could have easily been a winner. And then this. If I wouldn't be down for the day, I would let it run to this high. I wouldn't go for London. I would go for this one, which would give me around 3, but I probably wouldn't hold for London. So, yeah. Um. So guys, I think I'll just be here for 30 more minutes to just see what happens, and then I'll end the stream for today. Break even is still a win. It's not a win. It's not a win. Nox Music, but it's not a loss. If ICT says, then it is a win. But it's a little boring, when you're break even. I mean, it's not boring, it just sucks, I mean, I'm not bored when I'm not trading. It just sucks that I'm break even. Because I know I could execute this trade way better. And I could be up a lot on the account. Because if I would be in profit, I'll probably hold this trade as well. Because I'm in profit. But yeah, I'm okay. It's beautiful displacement. Maybe you can trade or demo. I'm okay. I'm not gonna trade for today. Not even demo. Maybe in PM though. Maybe in PM. I'm break even. I won the auto trade, so maybe I'll trade in PM. But I'm not gonna stream. I'm not gonna stream, but I'm probably gonna trade. Okay, so I might end the stream here just because it's Friday. It's not much happening right now. We already got our trades. I'm not looking for anything else, anything more. I just look to take my 5 handles and then that's it. And right here, this could have been better. So I journaled both trades. So thank you so much for coming into the stream. I appreciate you guys being here. We got a 1 win, 1 loss. Could have played out better, but I'm fine with what I got. I'm happy. Being break even is not a loss. It's not a win either. So it's in the middle. But thank you so much. Good luck. Good trading, and see you in the next stream. And